As soon as I get my coffee, I'll go.
You'll go where?
I'll go to my room.
No, say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for 500 subscribers.
Oh,
Can you say all that at once?
no.
No? Thanks, we appreciate you. Goodbye, have a great night.
Oh, there you go. You said it. No?
No, that's it, eh?
That's it. That's the best I can do. Sorry, people.
We have to say thank you to our 500 subscribers.
500.
500!
Halfway there to 1,000.
That's crazy. Can you believe it? 502 subscribers. Yeah, I really just... I'm speechless. I never ever thought, back when I was thanking my 8 subscribers for coming and hanging out with me while I pour paint, that I would ever reach 500 subscribers. I didn't think I'd reach 50 subscribers, let alone 500 subscribers. So I am so thankful and so blessed. God is good all the time. I thank you for coming and hanging out with us. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.